Hello guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today is day 7 on our Daniel fast, and before we get to the recipe, let's get to know the Bible verses for day 7 and our quote for day 7. Okay, so the Bible verse, we made use of Daniel 7 and Psalm 130. Our quote reads, "We often mar our character by protecting our reputation, but God builds our character by smashing our reputation." Samuel Cratton Pippin from the book Hope Through the Dark. Please do subscribe for me. Like the video, click on the notification bell. And so the 7, we are going to have some Waakye special. Yes. And this is Daniel fast way. Waakye. So we are going to make use of red beans. I soaked it overnight. Yes. I soaked it overnight, and we are going to wash it and cook it. Cook it for it to be tender. So at this point it's okay for me, and I'm going to wash my rice. This is 1 cup of this. So the beans, I made 2 cups of this cup, and the rice 1 cup, and this is brown rice. So after washing, we added it to the beans, and we are adding our salt to it. Please do well to share this video for me, like and leave a comment. And if you don't know what Daniel fast is about, I will leave the link there. So we are going to add some veggies to it. So we are working on our veggies, and so check on the description box for a link to what Daniel fast is all about and the other day's recipes. Okay, so we are checking on our Waakye, and we'll give it a bit of water. We are going to add water to it. Okay, so what we are going to do is our vegetables, we are going to steam it a bit. So just a little bit of water in the pan with salt. I'm going to add black pepper, white pepper, and also dried thyme to it, and let it just boil a bit, and then I'll be adding my vegetables to it. I started with the carrots because that one is a bit hard. Yes. And we are not going to cook this for it to be tender. No, just steam it a bit. Let's check on our Waakye, and we are going to give it a quick stir again. So we'll cover and check on our vegetables. Yes, so at this point our vegetables are ready, and so we'll just put it off and set it aside. And we're also going to add some fried plantains to it. So that's what I'm working on now. I have salt and pepper, that is powdered pepper, and then we are frying it. Okay, so let's check on the Waakye now. Okay, so we'll cover it for the last time, then check on our plantain. And so our plantain is ready. So this is Daniel fast in African way or Ghanaian way. We are also frying our tofu. I have a recipe on how to make tofu or soya meat, so you can check on that too. So our Waakye at this point is ready. Yes, at this point it's ready. And so put it off and then set it aside. Okay, so this is my black sauce or shito. I have the video there. You can check on Daniel Fast sauces, and this is tomato sauce. You can check on it. Also, I'm using coconut flour instead of gari. Yes, and these are my vegetables, and I have plantain and then tofu. Yes, and so we are serving ourselves, or I am serving myself. And so just check the description box. You get a video on what Daniel Fast is all about. And this Daniel Fast is Ghanaian way or African way. And I did OMAD, 1 meal a day, but you can choose to do morning and evening. But bear in mind that if you are doing morning and evening, you really have to reduce the quantity, because the idea is to fast, and so it's not to eat and be too full. Yes, and so if you want to, if you like, you can the recipes there, you can take 2 days to make it 1 day. Yes, so 1 day, it means 1 for morning, 1 for evening. Just reduce the quantity. Do you get it? You can do the fruits and vegetables, the ones that comes with fruit or fruit alone in the morning, and then the one that has high content of carbs, you do it in the later in the evening, not very evening. Okay, so this is it for our waakye for day 7, and you are going to love it. So please, if you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing, like and share the video. Bye bye.